So, I'm one of your workers.
Just work with me, no, man. She come to spend the weekend. You know? I tell her I say I'm the one the place.
I'm so sorry about that.
Is everything okay, Mr. Sullivan?
Yes, everything is okay. I just wanted him to deal with some business for me.
Oh, so he works here.
Yes, he's the caretaker.
So what him basically? I don't understand.
Well, takes care of the pool, sweep up the yard, make sure that the plants are watered, and wash the vehicles.
Oh, so he is a yard man.
If you want to say that.
Oh.
Now I can see why they call you Nicey.
Hello, Mr. Sullivan.
I came to tell you that dinner is ready.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. I must say, if you want, I can arrange another weekend for you.
See, Mr. Sullivan, you have a very nice place. But this weekend was supposed to be about me and my husband. I really thought this would have fixed things, but apparently he wasn't up for this trip. But I'll consider, and we'll take up the offer if he's willing to.
Okay, glad to hear that.
Thank you very much.
And I understand everything clearly. Okay?
Thank you, Mr. Sullivan.
Well, enjoy the dinner. I'm going on the road to deal with some matters.
Okay, Mr. Sullivan.
So I guess I'll see you later or tomorrow.
I guess I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be turning in early tonight.
Okay, no problem.
All right. Yardman, I can get a glass of water, please. Don't hear what I said.
You don't hear what the lady said? Trevor. Mr. Sullivan. Don't worry, I'll take care of this, okay?
Okay.
Listen to me, Trevor. Some joke go too far, you hear me?
God, just work with me now.
A who shall call yard boy?
I don't know where she get that from. Believe me.
Look, I'm expecting quite an amount of persons to come this evening. It's a large group, so they're gonna need at least 5 or 6 rooms. So you need to take care of everything, make sure there's enough food for them, water, etc. Make sure the rooms are clean and everything is prepared. All right?
Yes,
You clean the pool already?
Yes, from this morning. Bossy, you never send the money to come in.
Of course. I send money to give all of them. Look, you just deal with you to deal with. Me deal with things by my end. I gave you my word and I stick to it. Now, get the woman the water. Yard boy. And don't let it happen again. I'll get you the water. Hello? Yeah, Michelle. What? Look, Michelle. Bubbles is a competent detective and I trust her. What do you mean? Look, alright. You do what you want to, but a Bubbles me trust and a Bubbles are gonna do the investigation for me. Look here you want to say, Michelle. Look, this is a markers where you can push around, you know. As I said, me trust Bubbles. She me I work with. Yeah. You get the money? Alright.